today's Envy Prints shop tip, I'm going to show you how to thread the Elna 970 embroidery machine. Let's get started. The Elna 970 is a 7-needle, 1-head embroidery machine. This means you can stitch one garment with a design of up to 7 colors. Most likely, our machine will already be threaded, but you need to know how to thread an empty needle. The method of threading all 7 needles is similar. Review this threading procedure when threading the other needles. First, push back the tension release lever. Next, place a thread cone on the front right spool pin. Draw the thread up and pass it through the right hole in the thread guide bar from behind. Slip the thread under the tension leaf and to the left of the small guide pin. Draw the thread to the first pre-tension control. Pass the thread through the guide hole from behind. While holding the thread with both hands, slip the thread under the tension disc of the pre-tension control. Hook the thread around the guide pin from right to left. Make sure to insert the thread under the tension disc by tugging the thread. Hold the thread with both hands and pull it down along the right channel. This places the thread through the tension discs in the tension control. Draw the thread down and pass it through the right hole in the guide plate. Pass the thread through the eye of the right check spring. Next, pull the thread up and pass it through the second hole from the right. Continue to pull the thread up to the right take-up lever. Pass the thread through the eye of the take-up lever. Now, draw the thread down and pass it through the third hole from the right in the guide plate. Continue to draw the thread down to the lower guide plate and pass the thread through the right hole. Hold the thread with both hands and slip the thread behind in the right needle bar thread guide. This step is tricky, so you may need to use tweezers to complete this step. Finally, thread the needle front to back. When you have the needle threaded, pass the thread through the hole in the presser foot. Next, draw the thread up and pinch the thread tail with the holder spring. Trim any excess thread with scissors. Don't forget to pull up the tension release lever to close the tension discs. Now it's your turn. Rewatch this video next to the Elna 970. Find all of the parts of the machine mentioned in the video. When you feel comfortable finding all of the parts, then try it yourself. Thread needle 1. Use this video for reference and stop and reverse as much as you need to help you along. I hope you found this Envy Prints shop tip helpful in using our Elna 970 embroidery machine. Join us next time for more information on Envy Prints shop tips.